You've got to be able to live your life to the fullest. You can't just let hemophilia hold you behind. I can't say I've ever been a traditional hemophiliac. I rock climb, whitewater kayak, I go out in the wilderness and hike around. My name is Nicholas, and I am a severe hemophiliac A. I was diagnosed at birth, so basically within the first 2 days of my life I was diagnosed. I think I came fully to terms with it around age 7 when I had non-Hodgkin's Burkitt's lymphoma. My HTC doctor at the time, she also had cancer, and so I got to spend a lot of time with her, both talking about my cancer and my hemophilia, so I was able to kind of come to terms with that. What I would say to someone who has hemophilia is don't let hemophilia hold you back. You can manage the disease with your medication. You don't need to worry so much about it. I mean, I've broken my forearm, I've broken my nose, twisted ankles doing the activities I do, but I haven't had any spontaneous bleeds, which is great. So I've gone from 72 spontaneous bleeds in a year to 0 spontaneous bleeds in a year. If you're having a bad day, it's nothing better than going out and fishing or going hiking. It doesn't make it difficult doing infusions outdoors. I've infused on a kayak in the middle of an ocean to infusing on the side of a rock climbing face on El Capitan, hanging from ropes. So it doesn't make it difficult any more than sitting at the kitchen table for myself. You got to try new things. If you don't try new things, you're not able to, move on and move past what you think you can't do, but you really can. I don't need to let hemophilia keep me down. I can kind of tell hemophilia, hey, I want to go out hiking today. I want to go fishing. I want to go climb a 10,000 foot mountain. I want to go with my buddies off-roading or skiing or snowboarding or surfing, and I'm able to do it. Not letting boundaries be set by someone else, but by my own self safely. That's pretty much where I like to live my life.